Henry Ford rose from a curious tinkerer on a Michigan farm to a name linked with mass production and wealth. Facing failures and criticism, he kept refining ideas, turning long hours into a system that lowered costs for workers and communities. The pivotal moment came when the moving assembly line boosted output and offered affordable options for workers. Through strikes and scrutiny, Ford stayed focused on value and reinvestment, fueling steady innovation and global markets. His story shows aspiring entrepreneurs that persistence and practical reinvention can turn challenges into lasting wealth.